Hi everyone, I'm Monica Macon. I wanted to shoot a quick video on how to utilize my digital destination services from my website. There's two ways you can view digital destinations. You can view it from a desktop on the computer, or you can view it from the app. So this is what it will look like from the computer. So if you go to maconvacations.com, there's two ways to access them. You can just scroll down and click on the button, View Destinations. Or if you're on your phone, there's probably a hamburger there, and you can view it from just from the menu. But we're going to go down and I will click on View Destinations. And just to show you what it'll look like, just coming up on the desktop. So this is the homepage of Digital Destinations. It'll have a little demo video there and a little explanation as to what digital destinations are. There's basically three types of digital destinations. There are city stays, weekend getaways, and drive vacations. And all of these are 100% free to view, download, send to the app, whatever, however you want to interact with them. And I also have a little tutorial on how to use the app and what the experience is like on the app. But if you scroll down, let's just view a city stay. So right now we have 7 city stays, and don't worry, that library is going to grow. I have lots of city stays I still have to do. I'm just kind of waiting for things to settle down a little bit before adding some more, because they're changing so much. A lot of times I'm not sure if things are still open. And so I'm trying to bide my time, but I am going to add New York. I have Honolulu, I have Savannah, I have a whole bunch of city stays that I'm going to be adding to this. But let's just take Miami as an example. So this is what the digital destination will look like on your desktop. Now, if you look at the upper right-hand corner, there is a blue app button right here. And if you click on that, it'll ask you for your email address, and then it'll send you the link to the app. And you should know I do not save those email addresses. That's completely within the app. So I don't have access to them. So you won't be signing up for a newsletter or spam or anything like that. But it's a one-time function. And once you hit that app and you get the link to the app, any other digital destinations you want to send to the app, you won't have to give your email address. It'll just go straight to the app. And that's really fun, because that's the way you take all this information with you, so that when you're in a destination and you need a phone number or a website or anything like that, it's right at your fingertips. So if you scroll down on a desktop, you have to scroll down a little bit for the left-hand side menu with all the hyperlinks to come up. If you go straight to the top, for some reason, it doesn't come up. But if you scroll down, boom, there it is. So it basically, these are all the sections of a digital destination: information and documents. That's where I have the ability to upload PDFs into digital destinations. So, and those PDFs would go with you to the app. But here I usually put just information on the city. So if I can find a video, I put a city guide video on here. Why buy travel insurance? That's a video that I put in all my digital destinations, because everybody should buy travel insurance, even for domestic. And the reason is 3 words: out of network. Okay, if you have an out of network plan, travel insurance on domestic itineraries can help with that. Then I will have, PC running low. I will have arrival and ground transportation information. So that's like a city ground transportation option, private cars, or travel vans. If you have a group, there are travel van companies that will transport your group, and I have different options for that. And then I have where to stay. And in the bigger cities, I try to divide it into luxury stays, mid-range stays. Unique and boutique is a new things for unique places to stay. And where to eat. And again, all of these, you can just scroll down and get all these. All of these have links to the vendor. So if you wanted to go to the Vagabond Hotel, there's a link straight to their website and you can book directly with them. I think that's important for people to have that. And I check these links frequently to make sure they're still good. So hopefully they all are still good. If you find a link that isn't good, please let me know and I will correct it. And the great thing about digital destinations, I forget to mention, is it's real time. I update these and it will update on your app or on your desktop in real time. So if I find a link that place is no longer in business, I will delete it from my copy of the digital destination and it will automatically update and be deleted on your copy of the digital destination. And that is really, really important these days. So I'm not going to go through each and every one of these. You can just go to the hyperlinks and it'll say what to do on water, what to do on land, because in Miami, there was quite a bit. A lot of the tours in here are through my partner Viator, and I give you the cost of the tour, as well as the link if you're interested in that tour, and you can book directly. Even where to shop and food tours. Food tours are my passion. I'm going to Miami in November, and I'm going to be taking a Little Havana food tour, and I'm really excited about that. So please just go in, take a look, get used to it. You know, I try to embed as many videos and pictures as you can so you can get a sense of the experience, and let me know what you think. We also have a YouTube channel, Digital Destinations by Make and Travel. Please take a look, and I put a lot of my videos of my experiences as well as Viator videos to give you a sense of what it's like in that destination. And the whole point of this is to inspire people to travel to these great US destinations, because there really is a lot to do there and a lot of great experiences to have. So I hope you enjoy it, and please let me know. Thanks. Bye.